All right, everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, as I like to figure things out, I like to kind of experiment, and then I just make a video on it to show you. Now, people have done this video before, but I wanted to check it out for myself. So I had the camera I'm recording on right now is a Fuji X-T2, and I have the 16-1.4 on there. Another camera I have right here is the Fuji X Pro 3, and I got the Zeiss 32 on it. But specifically what I want to know is the color science between the two different cameras seems to be different, significantly different, in fact. And so I wanted to kind of investigate that myself. And so what I'm going to do is this. This 16-1.4 is going to be the lens I'm going to use for both, the Fuji lens. And I'm going to put both cameras in JPEG only, and we're going to shoot in Provia, Astia, maybe Pro Neg High as the three colors. And shoot them exact same thing, same lens. And the only difference in them is the cameras and the sensors, right? The X-T2 has the 24 megapixel X-Trans 3 sensor, I believe it is. And the X Pro 3 has the X-Trans 4 26 megapixel sensor. I think it's backside illuminated. And I was looking through some portraits I was shooting with the X Pro, and then I shot some other photos with this X-T2, and I said, the Astia looks really different in both cameras. So instead of me just like wondering, is that actually the case? I want to do that now. I actually want to take pictures with these two cameras and put them up. And so we're going to do that right now. All right, so you guys might remember from other videos I've done, this guy right here, Frosty the Snowman. We'll take some pictures of him because it has some of the green in it, has some red in it. Yeah, in the background there'll be some brick. So we'll take some pictures of him as one subject. Again, I'll do all three colors on this as a subject. And then I gotta find something else. It's got some more color in it to do some comparison. But let's start with Frosty. So we just shot the snowman, again, in Provia, which is standard, Astia, which is soft, and then Pro Neg High on the X-T2 and the X Pro 3 with the same 16-1.4. I try to keep the framing the same. Focal point was the same on the Red Wings logo at the bottom. And I think now, just because I want some different colors, even though this isn't the sun, we're going to take photos of this right here, which are some mums. And these mums have some different colors. You got a little purple, a little yellow, a little orange in there. So we'll see how it does with this. All right, so I'm just reviewing this as I'm making this video for you guys. And looking at the screen right there, it's interesting because there's definitely a difference. It seems to me like there's and I gotta be making this up, but it seems like there's a little bit more detail in the X Pro 3, and the color is a little bit more vibrant. Maybe they're a little bit more overexposed, but it just seems like it's got a brighter appearance than it does in the X-T2. What I noticed is I was shooting, I was in Chicago and I had the X-T2 with me and I had the X Pro 3 with me as well. And I was shooting both, and I put the same lens on like I was doing now. I shot an Astia, and the colors coming out of the X-T2 were a lot different. And I wonder if I overexpose these, if it would end up at the same result. But it seems like almost the X-T2 is a little warmer, and the X Pro 3 colors are a little brighter. So very curious to see what you guys think. I don't know. You guys think it's not a big deal, or do you think it's pretty significant? Because as I kind of decide where I'm going to land on keeping these cameras or not, the difference in sensor or color output is pretty interesting. So yeah, comment section below, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.